Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. It's another temperature rate conversion. We want to find the body temperature rise by 2 degrees Celsius. We want it in the units of Kelvin, Fahrenheit, and Rankine. Similar to previous videos. Step 1, we're going to skip the free body diagram because there is none. Step 2, list the given, which is 2 degrees Celsius rising or increasing. And the unknowns are change in Kelvin, Fahrenheit, and Rankine. Step 3, find the body temperature rise from degrees Celsius to Kelvin. So the keyword is increase by 2 degrees Celsius. That means it is the rate of change. So in this case, there is no change from degrees Celsius to Kelvin because it's the same rate. So 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 2 Kelvin. Step 4, find the body temperature rise for Fahrenheit. So it's the change in Fahrenheit. So it is degrees Celsius multiplied by a conversion factor of 1.8. So 2 multiplied by 1.8 gives you 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5, find the body temperature rise for Rankine. It's the same rate from Fahrenheit to Rankine, so it remains 3.6 Rankine. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. You can click on the icon on your taskbar. If it's not there, you can type in Windows search snipping tool and you can follow the instructions. If you're on a Mac, just use a Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Okay, once you have it open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Then hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you found a mistake or if you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.